Hi, it's Vince from Pinpoint with your latest tech update. Why do the smallest tech annoyances always seem to slow you down the most? If you use Microsoft Teams, 2 of those daily frustrations are finally being sorted. First, you'll be able to choose what the enter key does. Send your message or start a new line. No more awkward, half-sent thoughts. And there's a big improvement to message forwarding too. You'll be able to pick up to 5 messages in a chat and forward them all together. Making it quicker to share full conversations, we can help you make Teams smoother, faster and easier to use. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.